Well, happy June, YouTube. Here it is, the 16th. About time for another pond condition record. So we've been, over the last few days, we've been adding some RO water here with this industrial strength system. Trying to get the RO, we're trying to get the TDS in the pond down to a more reasonable level when my new RO system will take over on a regular basis. So looking forward to see how everything works out with that. The fish certainly seem to be enjoying it. We got a little flash there. They've been acting a little bit like that with that water. The pH is dropping a little bit. But in general, they seem a lot friskier. So that's a good sign, and we hope to see some growth and better coloration here in the coming months. So stay tuned and we'll find out. But anyways, the pond is looking excellent. We got just a nice little layer of green algae there on the surface, the bottom surface, side surface. And you can see where they've been grazing on that. So they're getting their share of greens, which is always a good thing. Bottom drains are nice and clean. I don't see any real debris on the bottom at all. So, and of course the feed, we're feeding every hour now. Feeding's getting fairly heavy. The water temperature's up around 70. So we're putting her out pretty good. And they're chowing her down pretty fast. South Stream's looking great as usual. Just a hint of green over here with a little bit of algae, but nothing wrong with that. Don't have to mess with that at all. Shower's still perking along just like I'd like to see. I have to take some more water readings here in the near future, but while the nitrates haven't dropped quite as low as I'd like to see, they've definitely come down from before when I installed the shower, so that's an excellent sign. And given that I'm reading about 30 or 40 parts per million out of the tap, not doing too bad. So here on the North Stream is looking great as well. Rocks are all nice and clean. No sign of that nefarious string algae that I just despise with all my heart. And I'm certainly glad to see that. The string algae episodes I've endured in the past all seem to have really started up on the waterfall on those stones there. The algae would begin to form and then get longer and longer and eventually get down into the pond and into the filters and become a major pain in the you-know-what. So I always pay a special attention to that area just to make sure everything's looking good. Yeah, everybody's enjoying a nice sunny day, a little cooler today with a little breeze. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so until next month, that's all for the pond at Koten-En.